Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gemini wallet on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Gemini wallet on your iPhone, the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure you're connected to your internet. Once you are, go and tap open your app store. In the search box at the top, give it a tap and type in Gemini wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Simply tap on the Get button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. Confirm your identification in order to download the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application. With the Gemini wallet, you can buy and sell or store your crypto, invest, and much more. Once the application gets downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. And there you have downloaded Gemini wallet application on your iPhone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.